everyone, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to get into very good projects early, how to get into buy tokens early before they get listed on any exchange at all. Like, you can get into this investment, or you can invest into this token with as little as $100. So, and this platform that we'll be using today, I'll be showing you today, is CoinList. And I'll be showing you how to get into the trades too, because if you notice, before this year, before 2022, it was really tough for so many persons to get into CoinList sales. But now they've introduced what we call Karma. But first of all, let me show you how to go about being a part of CoinList to access tokens and projects early before they get listed. CoinList is your best source. Okay, now this is not like financial advice. I'm just recommending, just in case you want to check it out. And remember, always invest what you're willing to lose. Always invest what you're willing to risk. I need to give that disclaimer. So next thing is sign up on CoinList. Sign up on CoinList, and then you make sure that you do your KYC. KYC is really important before you participate in anything. Before you can participate in sales, you need to do your KYC with your driver's license or international passport on CoinList. That is coinlist.co. I'm going to drop the website beneath those videos, so you check it out. Remember, always use what you can afford to lose. Now, this is the dashboard of CoinList. This is the dashboard of CoinList. It has a trading platform that is CoinList Pro, where you can trade. You do your regular trade that you do on your normal exchanges. And aside from that, there's a wallet. This is a wallet where you can just easily deposit your tokens here and withdraw. You can also participate in staking. You can stake some of your tokens here to earn passive rewards. Staking is one way to earn on your idle assets. Let's say you bought some tokens and they're really solid projects, but the market is not very stable for you to earn profits on it, like from the upward movement. You can earn from it while it's been idle, while you wait for the market to recover. And then here, this is what I want to show you: the token sales. Token sales is a part of CoinList whereby you can get into projects early before it gets listed on any exchange at all. So right now, there are several, ever since for the past several years, there's been so many tokens that got launched via CoinList, and they did so well. We have from Solana. You know the price of Solana now, and Solana closing price then was $0.22. How much is Solana now? That's like several X's from the time it was launched, which was way back in 2020. Just with 2 years, and it's still like X's high. We have Celo. Celo was closed at the price of $1, and New Cypher, Flow, Casper, Rally, Mina, Clover, Covalent, Centrifuge, Vega, Infinity, Swarm, Human Token, Credo. And then CoinList now introduced Karma. Now, what is Karma? Before 2022, it was really tough to participate in this because there are allocated number of persons that can be part of a sale. So if you're in a queue waiting to get into participating in the sale, and like you are way beyond the number of persons, you won't get into the sale no matter how early. There was no really any hack to escape trying to join to the sale. So right now Karma now helps you to get access into sales. So how do you accumulate your Karma? You accumulate your Karma based on the activities that you do within CoinList. And one of those activities is staking. There are 4 tokens you can stake, and one of them is let me show you. Let's see Karma. The more Karma you have, the higher chances you will get what we call a priority link. You can earn up to 110 Karma every week by trading and by staking. So you need to stake when you stake Casper, Flow, Rose, or New Cypher, you will earn up to 60 Karma that week. And when you trade when you trade, like trading at your 1% of your trading volume on the CoinList Pro will give you up to 50 karma, which is a total of 110 karma in a week. So you want to participate in your participate or get what we call a priority link, which ensures that you get access to buying those tokens early. Then you need to stake weekly and you need to trade weekly to be able to increase your karma. So you need very high karma, up to like I think up to like 1,000 karma to be able to participate in those CoinList sales. And then this karma expires after 18 weeks. So you have sufficient time to build your karma, participate in sales, and sometimes you can get at least two sales in a month. 1 to 2 sales in a month. And like I showed you, very solid project has come out of CoinList. And this is like the easiest, simplest, most affordable way to get into this project early before they get listed anywhere at the most affordable price ever. So participating in this, and then now there's governance. This is governance now, and this only applies to CoinList governance proposals. You can earn up to 50 karma weekly at 25 karma per governance vote. So you can also participate in this. So this is like a way to build your karma and then participate. So it's no longer 18 of chance, because before now it was 18 of chance, it was 18 of probability to, you don't know whether you're going to get into the sales or not. But if you build your karma to a very, very significant amount, you are going to be so sure you will get your priority link that will give you access to those sales, and then you wait for your token to be listed to enjoy maximum benefit from it. Like I said, always invest what you can afford to lose. So CoinList is your best bet to accessing latest or very solid projects early before they get listed anywhere. So like I said, first thing first, you sign up. Second thing, you do your KYC. Third thing, you build your karma, and then get ready to get that notification in your inbox, or check often to know whether there's a new sale, and you participate in those sales. So it's that simple. So make sure you engage in this. It's your choice, and invest wisely. Choose your risk. Thank you. And if you won't have any questions, or you want me to do any video or explain it further, you can leave a comment below. And also, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to recommend this video to someone if you found it useful. Thank you very much.